The Cricut You Are Here collection from Close to My Heart is a versatile collection of images that helps you celebrate each and every dot on the map of your life. It's a great companion for all of your vacations or staycations, as well as other special events. The images in the You Are Here collection give you ultimate creative control while you're crafting, coming with base pieces and layers that take the guesswork out of the creative process. With titles you can cut and layer. You have lots of options for adding dimension to every project. Let's say you just got back from a wonderful tropical vacation. You might want to decorate a scrapbook layout with adorable icons like turtles, fish, palm trees, and even some seashells. The images on the You Are Here cartridge give you all of those possibilities, with the examples of that base image and the overlay to add perfect detail for all of your shapes. Taking those images and putting them together on a scrapbook page might look something like this. So again, the fish and the palm trees, the turtle, the seashells, all the details to make your seaside vacation perfect. But let's say you decided to go to the forest, and instead of a beachside vacation, you're in the mountains with trees and outdoor activities and adventures. The You Are Here cartridge has you covered. With the perfect title pieces to tell your story, the layout might look something like this. Here's that title piece, and you can see the base and the overlay come together and add dimension and detail to your layout. But if your travels take you into more of an urban environment, You Are Here has exactly the building blocks you'll need to tell that story. With these images, you add more detail with those base and overlay pieces, and even some extra dimension with your journaling spaces. Vibrant cityscapes and skylines are easy to do using the You Are Here Cricut collection in all of the buildings and title details. And all of this is just the beginning. In the You Are Here collection, there are 700 different shapes to choose from. Titles and icons and images and alphabet fonts that will help you tell all of your stories. And there's a whole world of creativity just waiting for you with the You Are Here collection for all of the different places that life takes you. To learn more and get your own edition of the You Are Here collection, talk to your Close to My Heart independent consultant or visit closetomyheart.com today.